Hey, when you're trying to teach your kids verbs, it's kind of a dry and boring topic. So make it fun. Add some coloring pencils, some scissors, some glue, and have them do things like make a pocket full of verbs where they can have cool little printables that they are working on their fine motor skills and they are learning and drawing and talking about verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs. Or you can make their own verb bank where they're learning about, again, regular or irregular verbs. So like this one says to go. So when they open it up, it has the different forms of the verb on the inside. And this is highly customizable. Any verbs that you need, you can grab sets of or lists of action verbs that you want the kids to work with. You can even have them create little postcards for each other, especially if you're in a classroom where they're learning about the base verb and then the different forms of the verb, and then they can exchange them and they can put them in their own verb mail. So they can put their irregular verbs on the inside of the irregular verbs, and then they can put their regular verbs on the inside of regular verbs. Make it fun. Grab some scissors, grab some colored pencils, and help develop those fine motor skills at the same time that they learn how to speak and write properly. Have fun.